Yes, it says, if faith has no works, it is dead. It says in verse 21, was not Abraham our father justified by works? When he had offered Isaac his son upon the altar. The justification of Abraham is that he acted on what he believed. The justification of Abraham was in obedience to the word, even though he did not understand it himself. Look at Abraham. He is told to go and offer Isaac. He goes up into the mountain and he tells the people, me and the lad, we are going up to the mountain and we are going to worship the Lord. He is not saying I'm going to kill my son. He says we are going to worship the Lord, and me and the lad shall return. Look at this man. God tells him, you must sacrifice your son. But Abraham knows God has promised me that by this son I shall be the father of many nations. And then Abraham says, even if I don't understand, or even if I don't understand, but I'm going to walk in obedience, because obedience is better than sacrifice. I'm expressing my faith by what I'm expressing it by walking in obedience, by doing what the Lord tells me to do. He goes up to that mountain, brother, until he takes the knife and ends it. He was going to slaughter his son. He took the knife. The angel came, ran faster than him. Don't do it, Abraham. Don't do it, Abraham. There is a spoken word realm. There is a spoken word created realm that you must sacrifice. Now I know that you believe me. He was justified by his works. When you are walking in obedience to the Lord, you may not have all of it figured out. You may not know what tomorrow holds. But as long as you know who holds tomorrow, you walk in obedience.